I'll let you play the 15 game. No, I'm thinking if I need 2-5. I'm kidding.
Chad, 25 or 20?
What?
25 or 20?
What?
25 or 20?
660.
He's a man. I gotta do math. Give me 2 seconds to do math.
Yeah.
This is like, this is winner's bracket top 4. Well, I think overall it's still top 8, but these are like the top 4 in the league.
Yeah, I played this on
Like a
3, so I played on 2.
Mr. Mines?
Oh, people!
People doing work. Back in junior high.
Yeah, there you go.
Go, baby! Go! Let's go!
Yeah, there you go. Come on, Chad. Go, Chad. Run, Chad.
Let's go, Chad! Come on, keep going! Let's go!
Come on, Chad.
That should be you.
I think it is.
Nice! Good job, Chad.
What?